Hi folks, Fred.Zent here from Guaranty RV Super Centers. Today I'm going to show you a 2018 Heartland Sundance XLT 295 bunkhouse. Come on inside, I'll show you. You got two bunks, oversized bunks with storage and a drawer below. You got this slide that turns into a trifold bed and a freestanding 4-person dinette. Over here you have your TV, storage above, very large. Storage below, along with your CD player and your stereo. Your dual door fridge, plenty of room. You have a 3-burner stove, convection microwave, storage above, your oven, solid surface countertops, dual sink with stainless steel, and then you have a couple drawers below for storage as well. Come on to the back side, show you the restroom. On this particular unit, you have a sink and a vanity above, storage below the sink, a nice shower glass enclosure, corner shower, and then you have storage for towels, washcloths, and then a wardrobe, a couple drawers here, 3 drawers on this side above storage, and then you have storage below the bed. You have 2 7.5-gallon propane tanks, a full pass-through storage with lots of space for tables, outside fridge, nice large awning with LED lighting underneath, outside cooking, 2-burner oven and a sink. A little more storage here on the back side of the coach. And as I pointed out earlier, you got your full pass-through, your outside shower, your city water connections, an additional 7.5-gallon tank, and then you have some storage up front. Guys, if you'd like more information, my name's Fred.Zent. My number is 541-729-9500. Give me a call, I'd love to help.